Guys, all in $8,500, guys. Come on, I need to get at least to $10,000. The plan is gonna be simple. I'm trying to get 1 to 5 risk rewards. Fail swing right here, 2 reactions, 2 rejections. It's okay, not too bad. I'm trying to get 24 pips, so it's not that much.
Start your learning journey with ALLin Traders using our convenient mobile app. Access over 100 educational materials anytime, anywhere.
It's Friday, so we can look for some trades. Okay, let's move on to our charts. Why we check those things? Previous day high, because this can be resistance zone for the price. If we want to go up, I don't want to open position just before this area, because, this can be some kind of support resistance zone, and the price can bounce from this area. So I need to avoid that. Asian session, let's increase Asian session. Here we got some liquid zone. So both, if we're going to enter this area, we can expect the price up. If we're going to enter this area, we can expect up. Is it happening every single time? No, not happening every single time, but many times you can reactions sometimes. Price enter the liquid zone, they went to the side. They enter the other side of liquid zone, and liquidity is an area where we got some ending order, some stop losses. So the plan is gonna be simple. So I'm gonna wait for the price to go higher. If we're gonna go up and the price will reach this liquid zone, we're gonna hit resistance. I'm expecting strong reaction. I'm not sure if there will be reaction. You can expect something, but the market, they can go straight up. So I'm looking for the specific situation. If it's gonna happen, good for me. I'm gonna place the trade. If not, if market will do something else, we got another plan, because if we're gonna break through, we can use the other plan to go up. Okay, so we're gonna try to look for short. If they're gonna break through, we're gonna look for long position. So basically, we need to be flexible. Even if we reach this target, we can still look for some trade. So if we're gonna go up, we're gonna reach this liquid zone, resistance zone, and we're gonna have strong reaction. The best if this reaction will be with imbalance. I'm gonna wait for small pullback reaction here with some sellers, and I will try to go. Doesn't matter if this target will be still here or not. It doesn't matter. This setup is from smart money concept. Target can be a confirmation for take profit, but I don't need that. I don't need target. If I'm gonna enter the position here, my stop loss right in this place or here, depends how much space I'm gonna 1 to 2 risk to reward like this, or with smaller stop loss, 1 to 2 risk to reward, probably big options. First and the second one, more safe option, more aggressive option, using liquidity from Asian session go down. So we got Asian session liquidity, because we are looking at smart money concept, and try to find the place, enter long position, somewhere from around this area here, volume profile. And this area, so nice, very nice. Also, this one is even better, but this is quite low. If the price will reach this level, probably I will look for some long position here. So basically, I can mark those two. Guys, both of these areas are nice. This one is perfect because this is 1.88 of right here, right at the area where I can expect reaction. And this is also some liquid zone. Liquidity from this low. So I got another confirmation. And let's have a look at volume level. We're gonna have volume level. Guys, all in. The first plan, if the price will drop here somewhere around this area, maybe this order block, after reaction, because we also need some trend line. So enter this area, and our target can be the other side of the Asians. Not higher, because this is resistance zone, so this area. That can be the first option, basic buy setup. And we got another option. If we're gonna go lower, we're gonna get into and we're gonna get into the area. And here will be reaction. You can look for the trade. Strong reaction with some imbalance, pullback. This can be also fail swing. That can give us stop loss like this, take profit. Here we probably like that, 1 to 4 maybe. Pending order with stop loss, not too big, maybe like that. And risk to reward 1 to 5, maybe even more, but 1 to 5. So guys, I have few options. Basic buy. Right, so we have few different options on Euro USD. Okay, guys, the price just entered the zone which I was interested in. This one here, we were talking about that in at our live trading session. I'm gonna open the trade. I supposed to set pending order, but I'm gonna open the trade right now. Risk, very small stop loss, but I'm trying to get 1 to 5 risk to reward. So let's find out if we can get this kind of move. $12,500 profit, a small stop loss, and let me explain you this trade. We checked fixed range volume profile, so we checked the whole impulse right here, and this area was quite interesting. Also, this is some kind of liquid zone from Asian session. We got some liquidity from this low, so we can expect some kind of reaction. My stop loss is very tight, but if I'm gonna get somewhere here, probably I'm gonna set break even. So this is not a risky trade, kind of, but 1 to 5 risk to reward, can make my day. So fingers crossed. There is some reaction. You can see the trade is open. So all I need to do right now is to wait for reaction. And like I said, probably if I'm gonna get somewhere here, I will secure the trade for break even. Let me just check how many pips of stop loss do I have right here. 5. I could make it a little bit less, but okay, let's see what can we get from this trade. Hopefully 1 to 5. You can see straight reaction. Trade is open, $630 in profit right now. 1 minute time frame. There is some reaction, so hopefully this reaction will be quite big enough for me to secure the trade for break even. Why I want to secure the trade after 1 to 1? Because right here you can see if the price will reach this trend line, there is a chance the price will reverse. So I'm going to set break even. All right. So there is reaction, $880 in profit. Trade from live trading session this morning. So this is fresh. You can see the trade is open. So I want to record this so you can see that how I open the trades after the trade using our plans from live trading session. To be honest, I supposed to make smaller stop loss, but it's too late now. The trade is open, so okay. Because I supposed to do it like this. Where is it? 1 second. Long position. I supposed to do it something like that. So my take profit would be few pips before that, but it's okay. It's okay, not too bad. I'm trying to get 24 pips, so it's not that much. $12,500 to get, so I think it's worth risking this kind of trade. So I will keep you updated. The trade is open, so we will see. At the moment there is small profit. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, guys, quick update about my position on Euro USD. Trade is secured for break even. At the moment, I have $4,500 of profit, and I'm not sure. I want to get 1 to 5, but if I can get to 1 to 4, probably enough for me for Friday, guys. This is the last day of the month, so I'm gonna move my take profit for $10,000. We will see. Unless I'm gonna see some nice price action, the price will go up very quick. Maybe I can move it to 1 to 5, but at the moment I will just change it to 1 to 4. $10,000 of profit will be enough for me for Friday. I'm pretty confident with this trade, but at the moment we reached quite strong support resistance zone, and the price stopped. So if we're gonna break through this area, I'm pretty sure I can get full take profit. If not, probably break even. So maybe I will secure some of the profit. At the moment, I will leave it. Maybe I will secure like $1,000. I will see. For now, I need to move my stop loss a little bit higher to cover, some costs of these transactions. So fingers crossed, we need another like 10 pips and I'm gonna have $10,000 and we can close this month like a pro. The price is breaking through this trend line, which is very well. Hopefully you're gonna get full take profit. So I will keep you updated, guys. The price is reversing and we got some kind of fail swing over here. So there is a chance that the price will reverse. I don't want to give away any of my profits, so I think I'm gonna close it, guys. If the price will move lower, I will close it. I'm looking just at this candle right now. If it's gonna be bullish, I will leave it. If it's gonna be bearish, I will close it. Come on, come on, come on. If it's gonna go close lower than this low of this candle, I will close it. But we got bullish candle. Nice. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, because this is failed swing. I'm not sure. Yeah, the 5 minutes time frame. This can be failed swing and the price can go lower. So I'm gonna close it right now. Not yet. Not yet. I was about to close, but not yet, guys. Still in the game. Still in the game. Come on. Few more pips. Few more pips. Now, definitely, if the price will get to this area somewhere, I will close it. So they need to go up now because this can be fail swing and this can cause stop loss because in the short term the price can reverse. So next bearish candle, that means fail swing over here. So we need to go higher or we need to close it. Yes, the price is going up. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Ay, 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 ay. $8,500, guys. Come on. I need to get at least to $10,000. I left some space because sometimes when the price move, they move quick like this. And in this case, maybe we're gonna move take profit higher. But if not, if they're gonna stop here, I'm gonna close it at 10,000. Come on, we need another $1,000. And it's gonna be very nice Friday, guys. Very nice Friday. Anyway, it's good because even in the worst case, I'm happy with the profit anyway. Okay, guys, I think I'm closing the position because for me it looks like fail swing right here. 2 reactions, 2 rejections. At this level right here, we got some 2 bearish candles, so we got swing. And I'm just closing this position right now. Position is closed, guys. Let's have a look at the profit. Profit from this trade. We got $7,360 from this trade, guys. So it's pretty amazing for Friday, end of the month, and we got nice profit. Hopefully next live trading session, we're gonna make some more profits like this. So if you like to see more trades from us, follow us on social media. And if you like, you can join our live trading sessions where we explain our trades.
Start your learning journey with ALLin Traders using our convenient mobile app. Access over 100 educational materials anytime, anywhere.